friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about InWin Chopin MAX Mini-ITX PC. So friend, InWin has announced its new Chopin MAX Mini-ITX PC chassis, which offers greater components compatibility and more cooling potential to provide users more powerful small form factor setups than ever in a beautifully designed brushed aluminum enclosure that sits proudly on any desk or furnishing. And friend, now with 25% more heatsink clearance, the Chopin Max supports both AMD and Intel stock CPU coolers on their latest respective platform. And friend, the newly redesigned perforated mass panel increased the ventilation surface area to enhance the speed to heat dissipation. And friend, and included 200 watt 80 plus gold PSU provides excellent power efficiency and minimal noise. And friend, the front panel I/O now features USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 Type C port capable of 20 Gbps performance, which is 4 times faster than standard USB 3.0. And despite its smaller size, the Chopin Max supports two 2.5-inch SSDs situated on a user-friendly installation plate. And friend, there is also direct accessibility to the rear of the motherboard tray, where some Mini-ITX board design offers an additional M.2 SSD port. And friend, it is available in titanium grey, black and silver, and a single seamless piece of 4 mm thick aluminum is bent and shaped around the three side edges, while a customizable I/O strip can add a unique personal flair or show synergy with a business brand color. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.